Mr. Speaker, it's really sad for the mothers who have just delivered to be detained in hospitals simply because they cannot afford to pay for the fee that is required by the hospitals. And Mr. Speaker, it's very sad that they are retained together with their children who are very innocent, and yet our Constitution, chapter 43(1)(a) says, every person has a right to the highest attained standards of health, which includes the right of health care services, including reproductive with health care. Mr. Speaker, these children are very innocent. These mothers are vulnerable. Most of them actually have depression after delivering, because delivering is very stressful. As a mother, I can tell you this. For a mother to go into labor until the time she delivers, and then she's retained in that hospital together with her baby, I would say this government should go back to Linda Mama insurance, so that the mothers, when they deliver, they can be discharged for free to go back home with their children. And it is not right to detain these children. It's just like putting these children into prison, because in those hospitals, they are like in prison. They are there, they cannot leave, they even don't know what is happening, and everyone has a right. Mr. Speaker, the Committee for Health should do something about this.